Good morning, children. Today I am going to take drawing with you. Yes, you can see a boy drawing. All of you love drawing? Right. So, even this boy loves drawing, and you can see he is drawing. He's making something. I can see a house, some figures, clouds, sun. Right. And behind you can see a scenery is there. In that, water is there, trees are there, lands is there, some mountains and sky. Yes. So today even I am going to teach you a scenery. A scenery. So get ready with your paper or your drawing book, pencil, eraser, scale, colors, and a black sketch pen. Right. Are you ready, children? Should I start? Now, on the paper, first pick up a scale. Yes. And make a border on all the four sides. Slowly, slowly. Yes. When you are ready with the border, now you write scenery. You write scenery. 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 Have you written, children? After doing that, now we divide the paper into nearly 3 parts. On top, first we make a line for the sky, mountains and all, and one side we will make water and one side we will make land. Now we start with the upper portion. So first, as you can see in the picture, you can make mountains. So slowly with the slanting lines, make mountains. After doing the mountains, now make some bushes. You can see some greenery on the mountains at times. So for it to look beautiful, we will draw some bushes. Then you can make a sun behind the mountains. And in the sky, what do you see? Clouds. So make some clouds and make some birds flying away. So now we are ready with the upper portion, that is the sky portion. Now we will start the portion on land. So first you can make some grass. Yes. Again with the help of slanting lines. Then you can make one big tree. One big tree. See the way I have made it. It is very easy. Slowly, slowly keep on drawing. After your tree is complete, you can make one house. All of you know how to make a house? If you don't know, I have shown you how to draw it with the help of standing and sleeping and slanting lines. Just make one house here. Yes. After making one house and tree, we will make one more house. Yes, in the same way. And from the house, you can show a road. And behind, you can show some more grass. Is it easy? Yes. Are you liking it? Have you drawn till now? So now the background is ready and the land is also ready. Now we will start with water. What do you see on water? Yes, some fishes, some boats. Yes. So here, see, I have made some waves in the water so that it looks beautiful, and I've made two simple boats. And down I have made 4 fishes, different type of fishes, and you can show some bubbles because they are swimming in the water. So now the drawing is ready with the mountains, houses, water, boat, fishes, everything. Now after that, when your drawing is ready, we pick up a sketch pen. We pick up a sketch pen, black sketch pen, and we sketch the whole drawing with a black sketch pen. Yes, slowly, slowly do it. Don't be in a hurry because I'm teaching you step by step. So go slowly. Yes. So now our drawing is ready. Now you take out your colors. You take out your colors. Whichever colors you have, you be ready. Now first, we will color the bushes with light green color. Which color? Light green color. So color all the bushes green. After that, pick up brown color, and color the mountains, Then which color is the sun? Yellow color. So here you can color the sun yellow. Yes. So now our mountains, bushes and sun is ready. Now you have to color the sky. What is the color of the sky? Blue. The color of the sky is blue. So pick up light blue color and color it. Yes. And remember, when you are coloring, you are going to color nicely so that the paper is not seen. Yes. And in one direction. You are going to do in one direction. Not like this, no. Only one direction. We are going to do one direction only. So now you can, as you can see in the picture, it is ready. And the clouds, you can pick up gray color and color it. So now after this, we will start with water. Now pick up 2 colors, light blue and dark blue. Color. Yes. Alternately, we are going to color so that it looks beautiful and you can see nice waves in it. So you do dark blue and light blue again, slowly and steadily and in one direction, and do it very neatly. Yes. Now your water is ready. Now pick up orange and brown color. Yes. Brown color and or yellow color, and you can color the boats. Now when your boats are ready, we are going to color fishes. I have colored them orange, yellow and red. If you want to change the colors, you can change the colors, right? So now our colorful fishes are ready, and let the bubbles be white only. Otherwise, if you color them, they will merge with the water. So now our water is also ready. After this, we start with the land. Yes. So here, first color the tree. Yes, with dark green color and brown color. With dark green color and brown color. See the way I have done it. After that, pick up light green color and color the grass and color the grass. So now the grass is ready and our trees are ready. Again pick up brown color and color the road. You can see the road, color that. Now we have to start coloring the house, both the houses. Yes. So roof of the house you can do red color. You can do a red color. I have done it that way. If you want to change the color combinations, you can change a bit. So now our roofs are ready. Now you can pick up yellow color and color the house. And for the windows and doors, you can pick up black color and color it. Now rest, everything is done. Only the land has not been colored. So pick up dark yellow color and color the land. Slowly do it, and you can see teacher has done it very neatly so that you don't see white paper at all. So now your scenery is complete. Is it looking beautiful? Yes, but something is still remaining, the border. Yes, so you can pick up black color and color the border, and where you have written scenery, just leave that portion so that it is seen neatly. If you want to change the color of the border, it's your choice. You can do it. So now our scenery is ready. I hope I have taught you step by step, and it's easy, and you are going to draw it nicely. When you will come back to school, I am going to see it. So thank you, children. Have a good day, be safe and be happy.